A bombshell ruling in the Flint water case could send a ripple through other cases in the state. Prosecutors used a rare statute exclusive to Michigan called a one-man jury to secure the indictments against 8 people in the Flint water crisis. The one-man grand jury involves one judge who acts as one juror, reviewing evidence privately and identifying probable cause to issue an indictment. But state Supreme Court justices ruled yesterday that the law only authorizes a judge to investigate, subpoena witnesses, and issue arrest warrants. They do not authorize a judge to issue indictments. 7 Action News reporter Kiara Hay spoke to prosecutors about the precedent this ruling could set for other cases.
It could be back to the drawing board for many prosecuting attorneys who use the one-man grand jury as a way to protect witnesses. Wayne County prosecutor Kim Worthy says she fears what this Michigan Supreme Court ruling could mean for future cases. According to Wayne County prosecutor Kim Worthy, it can be hard to get people to speak out against crimes they see because of fear of retaliation. One of the ways to combat that is the one-man grand jury, where a person can speak to one judge in private opposed to testifying on the stand. But now that process is being called into question. Yesterday, Michigan Supreme Court defined and restricted the role of the one-man grand jury. In a statement, Worthy says, quote, "This has been a powerful tool to combat the no-snitch mentality, and I am disappointed and fearful for what the future will hold without this important criminal process." Worthy says she is now actively looking at pending cases to see how to adjust and proceed, and she isn't the only one.
Lawyers in our firm are evaluating and preparing motions.
Todd Perkins, an attorney with Perkins Law Group, says hundreds of court cases could be revisited and convictions overturned.
I would say probably hundreds, of course.
Which could overcrowd an already crowded court system. Macomb County prosecutor Peter Lucido says he personally does not use the one-man grand jury system, although he believes every tool has its use. He does not, however, understand why it was used in connection to the Flint water crisis.
I can't understand what was the motive of a one person making a decision so large as this.
Ultimately, Lucido says it's the people of Flint who could have been failed.
Will there ever be justice? Did the system fail those in the city of Flint?
The charges have not been dropped for the 9 people who were charged in connection to the Flint water crisis, but Lucido says it is very likely that that will happen, and if they are dropped, he says it'll be very difficult to recharge them. I'm Kiara Hay for 7 Action News.